Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this video. So, do you want to become a web developer in 2025? Then here is your roadmap, your guidance to becoming a modern web developer. In this video, you are going to learn about what is web development and we will walk through key steps every beginner should follow to start building websites and web applications. So, let's get started. Web development. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. It involves designing the layout, building the structure, adding interactivity, and making it accessible on the internet. Web development is divided into two main parts: front-end and back-end. Front-end is what users see and interact with, whereas backend is how the site works behind the scenes. Together, they bring websites to life and power everything from simple blogs to complex apps. Next is so here. This is your step-by-step path to become web developer. Step 1 is the front end basics. Step 2, backend tech. Step 3 is version control, whereas step 4 is projects and hosting. So let's see what is front end. Front end is uh, everything that users see and interact with on a website. Like layout, animations, content, organization, navigation, like graphics, buttons, menus, and many more. You will learn the building blocks of the web that are HTML, CSS, JSS. HTML for structure, say CSS for design, and JavaScript for interactivity. Frontend is all about creating beautiful, responsive, and user-friendly interfaces. Step 2 is backend. This is the behind-the-scenes brain of your website. It handles logic, data storage, user authentication, and connections to databases. You will learn languages like Node.js, Python, Visual Studio, PHP, along with tools like MySQL or MongoDB. Backend makes sure everything works smoothly under the hood. The next is version control and tools. So step 3 is version control using tools like Git and platforms like GitHub. Version control helps you track changes in your code, collaborate with others, and manage different versions of your projects. It's an essential skill for professional development. Whereas the tools mentioned here, Visual Studio is a powerful, lightweight code editor tailored for developers. Whereas Git and GitHub are essential for version control and collaborative coding. Next comes Chrome Developer Tools. It is used for analyzing, debugging, and optimizing your web applications, whereas Figma and Canva are used for designing user interfaces and creating visual assets effortlessly. Lastly, Netlify and Vercel. So these are used for hosting and deploying websites quickly with modern platforms. Now we see the last step, that is projects and hosting. So now it's time to build real projects to apply what you have learned. Create websites, clone popular apps, or solve real world problems. Then use platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, or Vercel to host your work and share it online. This step builds your portfolio and shows the world your skills. So, guys, that's your roadmap to becoming a web developer. Start simple, stay consistent, and keep building. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let's build the future together.